In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add employees to Payrun in Xero. We'll walk through the full process step by step, so by the end, you'll be confident adding new team members into your payroll. Make sure you're logged into your Xero account and that you have access to the payroll area before you begin. First, look towards the top of your Xero dashboard and find the main menu. From here, click on Payroll. This is the central place where you manage everything related to paying your staff, including employees, pay runs, pay templates, and more. Clicking Payroll will open up the payroll section so you can focus just on these tasks. Once you're in the payroll area, you'll see several options. Go ahead and click on Employees. This takes you to the list of all employees who are currently set up in your payroll system. Think of this as your employee directory specifically for payroll purposes. From here, you can view existing staff or add new ones. To add a new person, look for the button that says New Employee and click on it. This is what starts the process of creating a new employee record. It opens a new page or form where you'll enter all the relevant information about that staff member. Now you're on the new employee screen, and this is where you fill in their details. Take your time here, because the information you enter will flow through to your pay runs and reports. Start by entering their basic personal details, such as full name and any required contact information, following your local payroll requirements. Then move through the different sections in the form, including things like employment details, tax or deduction settings, pay rate, pay cycle, and bank account information if needed. Make sure what you enter matches the employee's contract or agreement, especially their pay rate, pay frequency, and start date. It's a good idea to double check spelling of names and any identification numbers, because errors here can cause issues later with payments or submissions to tax authorities. Once you've completed all the necessary fields and reviewed everything for accuracy, scroll down and click on Save. This will create the employee record in Xero and make them available to be included in future pay runs. After saving, you can always come back to the employee profile if you need to update their details, change their pay rate, or adjust any settings. And that's it. You've successfully added an employee in Xero, so they're ready to be included in your next pay run.